Hey everybody, it's Neil. Check out what I got here. I got these slippers that are just like lions. These are crazy. Look at this. Move this out of the way. Here, so look at that. I just took them out of the little bag so they're not fluffed up yet, but let's try this on and see how it is. This is definitely an adult size, so it fits me good. My dog's a little scared, but let's see. Okay, let's see. Let's aim me down and you can see what I'm talking about here. This is the shoes. You want to see a Penny? You come here. You afraid of the lion? She might be. So look at this. These are cool. And you can see the eyes have a little plastic on it that I need to peel off. I'll probably make it look a little bit more realistic if I can. There's that one. And that one. There we go. So there, look at those eyes peering at you. And it's got nice little ears that pop up here. He's got ears, he's got the little mouth. They really colored it good. And then on the bottom, it's got that kind of non-slip, kind of rubbery little nubs. Yeah, I would totally use it indoors, but you get the idea. And it says hand washable, no tumble dry, probably because all the little pieces and parts in there. But it looks super cute, look at that. So this will be fun here as it gets to be the winter time, going around, stomping around with this around my apartment place. All my neighbors are gonna wonder what the heck's going on. And so will Penny. She's scared. You want to see Penny? Come here. See? This is my dog. It's about the same size as my dog. So, pretty cool. You like that? Okay. Thumbs up.